Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. Here we are, another job this morning. We have a roof cleaning and a gutter brightening service to do. We'll walk you through and show you the property. So it's this house here. This is like a duplex. So we only go up to that section right down there, right in the middle of the driveways, separates the two houses. Front's not so bad, but we have that big oak tree, and you'll see the back is much worse. And then we have a section of guttering here on the corner, and here we are at the rear of the house. Again, right about where that gutter is the dividing line between the two houses. I don't know if it shows up on the camera or not, but that section of roof right up through here is where it's really bad. But yeah, and then we got these gutter brightening to do on the outside here. Whenever you're doing roofs, one of the things that we always do is turn the water on, put it on the downspouts to help with any solution that comes off the roof, because we do use a little hotter of a mix on the roofs. So all right, anyway, so let's get going here.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Okay, we're all done here. Let's take a look and see how it turned out. We did all the gutter brightening. Roof looks fantastic now. And the neighbor came out, so we ended up doing their gutter as well. But still a little bit wet, but you can definitely see, I don't know if you can see, you can probably tell in the camera the difference of the line going up and down. But at any rate, that's our job for today. We'll see you at the next job.